Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix the problem where images or photos do not appear in a PDF when you open it in Adobe Acrobat. But they do appear normally when you open it with the Chrome or Edge. This is very common issue and the solution is super easy. Let's get started. Open your PDF documents in Adobe Acrobat. Then click the hamburger menu, 3 lines in the top left corner, and select Preferences, or simply press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open the Preferences window. On the left side, select Page Display. Now look for the option Show Large Images and check the box. This setting forces Adobe to load and display high resolution images. Click OK to save the settings. Your images should now appear immediately inside Adobe Acrobat. And that's it. Your PDF images are now showing correctly in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with anyone facing the same issue. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.